number of students this year is because we have the grade 9 cohort, which was not there last year. This grade 9 cohort, which had 1,030,000 students, I think, doing the exams, raised the number million, because we are now transitioning this grade 9 to grade 10 next year. And as we transition them to grade 10, you are aware that we are using pathways, which is the competence-based education system. We have the STEM pathway, we have the creative arts and sports pathway, and the social sciences pathway. So we are ensuring that our students continue doing as they learn what they are competent in, so that that competency contributes to their results eventually, as opposed to the 844 system in which you are only graded on what you got, your competencies notwithstanding. So these are the changes that we are doing to ensure that we skill our students, our learners going forward, so that we are producing graduates and learners for the market who the market requires, or who are skilled for the market based on those competencies.